Welcome to the Jebediah Report. Earlier this week, I went to ride the Behemoth at Canada's Wonderland to see how physics takes action on Canada's largest roller coaster. Let's take a look. We're here at Canada's Wonderland to see how science plays a role on Canada's largest roller coaster, the Behemoth. I'm here with two very intelligent scientists who are
Kaufman
and Stoltzfus. And you guys have been studying roller coasters for centuries now, right?
Yeah, in fact, it's our 100th anniversary.
Now, roller coasters have been around for years and provide us with excitement, adrenaline, and fun. But we are here for strictly science purposes only.
Of course. Now, let's go on up.
So I'm here with professional ride warrior Gunther. So Gunther, tell me a little bit about yourself.
As a professional ride warrior, it is my duty as a ride warrior to travel around the world and test out the neatest and the baddest roller coasters ever.
Wow, that's pretty impressive.
So what's with all the gear?
Well, you always gotta think safety first. Besides, what kind of a ride warrior rides without armor?
So, Professor Stoltzfus, tell me what incarnation I'm getting myself into here.
Well, this is Canada's biggest, fastest roller coaster ever. It brings you up about 230 feet and brings you down about 125 kilometers per hour.
Wow, that's excellent. Alright.
So what does science have to do with this?
Don't worry, we'll explain that later. But right now, let's go experiment.
Guess there's no backing out now.
Kaufman, put your hands up! Kaufman, put your hands up!
There's no way science is behind that much fun.
Well, first off, let Kaufman and I explain the science behind this ride.
Using the height and different types of energy involved, we can use the famous physics law about the conservation of energy.
We can use it to find the speed of any height of the roller coaster. Right, Kaufman?
Wow, that's fascinating.
Now we apply the conservation of energy equation. Work plus KE1 plus PE1 equals KE2 plus PE2 and energy lost.
Let's look at the speed at the second highest point. Let's go back to the lab.
We can cancel out work since there is no force applied from the highest point of the roller coaster onwards.
We can also cancel out energy since there's no friction and no work done.
We can also cancel out KE1 because it is not in motion at the first height.
Wow, that's interesting.
Okay, so acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. The height of the first drop is 70 meters. The height of the second drop is 53 meters.
Kinetic energy equals mass times speed squared over 2.
Potential energy equals mass times gravity times height. Also, mass is constant throughout the whole ride.
Then you just do the math and work it all out.
Therefore, V2 equals 18.25 meters per second.
So there we have it. That concludes this week's episode. Join us next week when we find out the difference between jam and jello. Thank you and have a good night.
Be like, yeah, my life be like.